Hello guys, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me. It's good to have you here with me another time in the same day for a different paper, of course. Yes guys, so paper one live today will be about 2 hours, guys. Because trust me, your girl here is tired. But I had promised some persons to come on, so I like to keep to my promises. So I'm here, guys. I'm here. You can feel free, guys, to come in and share the live if you want to. If you wish to share the live, you can share the live. If you don't want to, no problem. You're not pressured to do so. But I say thank you very much for joining me. I have 5 beautiful people with me in the house. It's good to see you all. Thank you for coming in. I really appreciate you all. I know I'm late, guys, maybe about 30 minutes later or so. Yes, guys, I was trying to get myself organized and stuff like that. Hey, Clinton, welcome. How are you doing today? Welcome back. How are you doing? The live today, guys, will last about 2 hours. Hey, Kenroy, welcome. Thank you very much for joining. I really appreciate you guys coming back. I know I'm late, but I was trying to get myself situated, guys, so forgive me. But I'm here. Hey, Dinsmore, welcome. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you. So, guys, I post the, what do you call it again? I don't even know. I post the formulas with the measurement questions. If you guys need more formulas, just tell me. And I'll see what I can do for you. All right. Yes, guys. This live won't be a long one because trust me, I am tired, but nonetheless, I am here with you all. Yes, guys. Why this paper keep moving? I don't have a clue. Why you keep moving paper? And do you have the 2020 paper? What things more ask me say? Look here. Try my make CXC here asking question upon my life. No, sir, I don't have those questions. No. No, Dinsmore, no, I don't have those questions. Don't have them at all. No. I've never seen them either. No, I don't have those questions. And I've never seen them before either. Ricey is in the building. Welcome, Ricey. Yeah, I know I'm late. I was supposed to be here earlier. But you know, I am here nonetheless. So y'all don't crucify me now. I am here, Ricey, same B. Ricey, I can bet that this question was like you stored in your brain. I can bet you any money, Ricey. That you stored this question in your brain for today's lesson. I can bet you any money. Did you actually work the question, Ricey? Because you sent me last night, Ricey, the one on the Winniam, the one this with the oh Jesus with the ratio proportion thingy. You sure the question is complete? No, miss, I worked it out. Really, really, Ricey. Okay, I believe you. I'm taking your word for it, Ricey. I'm not judging you. Not judging you, Ricey. I'm taking your word for it. Not judging you at all. Yes, guys. So if you're here for the multiple choice question, guys, you can start. So B from Joanna, B from Khan. You can go ahead, guys, and start working the questions, submitting your answers. Start submitting emails. What's your email? My email is Alicia Kennedy 54 at gmail.com. I got something to send you on behalf of Natalie. Okay. Okay. Alicia Kennedy, Alicia Kennedy 54 at gmail.com. So that's my email. So welcome to everyone. I have several lovely people here. Welcome. Feel free to. Can you from Trinidad? Guys, honestly, tired of bust me shut right now. Yeah, but me still push out. Me still push out, people. Me still push out. Let's get this on. Okay, right. See, I didn't want to put any on this channel because I don't know if they are from directly from the CXC board. I did not want to put any of those questions here, but if you want me to, I can word them. Send the explanation to you in worded form or voice note or something on Instagram. You can get to see them and whatever. And listen to the voice note as I explain them to you. No, that's not wise because they say once you have the same format as them for most of the questions, they could be punished. They could have charged for copyright, whatever, copyright claim and all these things. I mean, I want that. So let's wait a few moments, guys, for other persons to come in. And then we start the live. As in, we start the question. Because live start already. We start the questions. Wait a few more minutes, guys, please. In the meantime, just go ahead and write the question and submit the answers, okay? Yeah, I'll do them and show you, I see. I either send a voice note or I'll just write it in words or something. So we're gonna start in the next 3 minutes, guys. When the others come, they can catch up or something, but we're gonna start in the next 3 minutes. So if you're here, I'm gonna be doing paper 3 tomorrow, guys. I wish you guys all the best. Don't cram your brain tonight by trying to know as much as you can. Whatever you learned before, guys, just maximize on that tomorrow in the exam. And please do your best. Go in the exam confidently, guys, saying that you are going to come out with a pass. It's a passing grade, but you're gonna come out passing. Not just pass with a C or with a passing grade, guys. Good grades you want. 20 marks. Get at least 18 or more. You can lose a 1 mark, guys, or maybe a 2 mark, but no more than that, okay? Yeah, right. Give it to give it to Dinsmore, cause he want paper 1 question. Give it to him. No, Sissy can't chop off my neck in even if they ain't question them. So I'm not really gonna mess around them on my channel like that. So determine the distance traveled, 1 more minute to go, by a yacht sailing on a bearing of 310 degrees from 475 kilometers. Oh. Me no resi. I have no clue. To be honest with you, I don't know. No, when him can. No, I don't see the email. I just check the email and I don't see it. Let me write my email. I just show you right here. So depends on what Natalie give me. I don't know. ALECIAKENNEDY 54. I think I hit that though. We have so much at Gmail. See Tirkan. Alicia Kennedy 54 at gmail.com. Okay. All right, guys, the time is up now. Let's get right into some questions. All right, so the first one comes to us from bearings, guys, but this also includes trigonometry. So let's go ahead and draw the bearing that they gave us of 310. So first, remember bearing is the clockwise the bearing of a point is a clockwise movement from the north line. So my north line is here. So 310 would be somewhere around here. Okay. So it says 310 degrees. So it says 475 kilometers. So 75 kilometers will be right here. Okay, guys. But similarly, 2 vectors, guys, you have to track the movement. And so they're asking you for the distance traveled north. So they're telling us that this yacht went from north. So it went north, then it went west. Covered a total distance of 75 kilometers. So we know angle at a point is equal to 360 degrees. So if here is 310, the angle in here would be 50 by saying 310. So it's 360 minus 310 to give us 50. So the angle in here is 50. Okay? I hope you all understand that so far. From here, guys, if you want to, you can take out this triangle. And before even doing that, you know, this will be your north and this will be west. So they want the distance traveled north, guys. So we have to go in and find this distance here. But before we can find that before we can find that distance, guys, we need to observe that by labeling the side. So this side will be the opposite side. This will be the adjacent. And this will be the hypotenuse is 75 kilometers. They want to find the adjacent given the hypotenuse. Should be H, Y, P, 75 km. Want to find the adjacent given the hypotenuse. So we're going to have to use between SOHCAHTOA. We have to use cos. Okay, guys? So the cos of an angle is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So cos of 50 is equal to adjacent would be north and the hypotenuse is 75. To find north from this, we are going to multiply both sides by 75 because we want to cancel the denominator, the fraction that's right here. So this cancels this. So north is equal to 75 cos 50. And that's how you find the angle, the length of the north line. The distance traveled north would be represented by B. And the person said B, so very good. And this was the homework from the last class. That was in today, Monday. So Saturday. So it's the homework from Saturday's class. All right, guys. So let's move to the next question. This one, if f of x equal 3x, g of x equal x to the fourth power, determine the expression for the function fg of x. Let's go, guys. Fg of x. So let's do some substitution. So the g function is given. The f function is given. Fg of x, whatever g is, you put that into the f function, right? So he's saying b. Okay, right? See, I see you. Nicola, welcome, welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. Welcome, welcome. Nicola is saying D. Dinsmore is saying B. Let's hear for some other persons. Can, are you still with us? Let's hear for some other person what they're saying. Clinton, are you still with us? Henry, are you still with us? Feel free, guys, to send your comments in. So we have 3 answers so far. Let's see if we're making a B sound, guys. So let's go again. I always rewrite them. I don't know why. I think I can work it better like this. Can they send G as B as well? So this, guys, is basically representing the x for the f of x. All right, here is representing the x. So whatever g is, you replace it into the f function. So g is all of this. So you just put all of this where x is in the f function. So this f g of x is equal to 3x to the fourth power. And the answer is B, guys. Let me know if you have any question. I will be happy to answer them for you. So we have 13 beautiful people here. Thank you very much for coming in. I really appreciate you all. So any question about this one, guys? So Nicole, you see how we got that for the answer? What you have here is like they said, f of x divided by g of x. And that's just f of x. If we say f into 3 can be what? Hey Omar, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you very much for joining us. If we had to say f into 3, what can we calculate? Can you use letters to write what you're saying? Because I'm not understand the writing. Calculate G. Are you saying this? This would be the so f of x is equal to 3x. G of x is equal to x to the 4. So whatever f is, you put it where g is. So that'll be what? 3x to the 4th. What is 3 to the 4? I don't know. 3 3 is 9. 81? I think 81. 81x to the 4th power. If that I mean can. Alright guys, let's go to the next question. So it takes 3 hours and 30 minutes to travel from airport A to airport B at an average speed of 550 kilometers per hour. What is the distance f of wouldn't that be 9x? Can f of 3x in the f function, I put 3x in it. And that would have given 9x. But yeah, guys, let's try this one. Our Father, who art in Zion. Remember STD, guys? STD, speed times time is equal to distance. We want to find distance. Let's use the STD formula. So STD, speed times time is equal to distance. You're given the speed of 550 kilometers per hour. You're given the time as 3 hours and 30 minutes. Convert that and find the distance between the two airports, airports A and airport B. Let's go for that one, guys. Abba, Father. D from Dinsmore, D from Nicola. Okay. So since it's kilometers per hour, guys, and we have the time in hours and minutes, we need to convert all of that to hours, okay? And ensure that we are working accordingly. So Omar is saying A. Okay, are we spelling something here? Y'all don't like to ask that question because if you don't spell something, I need to get my pencil out and my pen and start making notes because I like learning new words. So if I something not spelling, make me know straight. So let's go to convert, guys. So we need to, I don't like big words. So 3 hours, guys, and 30 minutes. You convert that to hours, it should be 30. So this is in hours already. So convert the 30 minutes to hours, guys. We're gonna say 30 over 60. Why? Because the 60 minutes be an hour, don't it? So 30 would be a half. Or you wanna say half or 0.5, all right? So it's 3.5 hours. So from here, we're going to say 3.5 times 550 to give us hours, kilometers. Hours is equal to distance. They said it's normal. It's a normal paper one. Okay. So from here, guys, hours cancel hours. So 3.5 times 550. Hey, Gavin, welcome, welcome, is equal to D. But to give me a thumbs up, guys. I appreciate all the thumbs up. But guess what? If you're gonna give it to me and take it back, please don't give it any at all. So 3.5 times 550 will give us a 1925 kilometers. And that will be the distance between the two airports. All right, guys. And so the answer is that D. The person who said D, very good. I'm not sure where Omar went wrong, but you can double check to see the steps I took here. Alrighty. So let's go to the next one, guys. Here we go. They're about show a stadium in the shape of a trapezium. Calculate the area of the trapezium. Idris, I haven't seen you in a while. I feel like a year me not see you for. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you doing today? I'm here. I'm tired. I had the paper 3 earlier, and trust me, this thing mashed me up. But guess what? I'm here. I'm representing. I'm happy to do this, guys. It's for the love and not for the likes, okay? So let's go, guys. Let's calculate the area of the trapezium. Guys, he's saying D. All right, guys. So we know what is the area of a trapezium. All right, it's going to be half A plus B. This will be the parallel sides times the perpendicular height. So here we have two height. We have slant height here, so, and we have perpendicular height here. So we have to use the perpendicular height, guys, when doing this question. So let me see what persons are saying. Pay attention to the units that they give to you. If it is centimeter square or centimeter cube, it's very important because simple mistakes like those can be made, and we don't want that, okay? So we have to double check our answers, guys, all right? I good. Just so with. Oh my God. Never mind. You will be just fine. Never mind. Never mind. Oh, you have Geo Wednesday? But shouldn't Geo be not I don't want to say easy, but okay. No, but plate tectonics, nobody different climate thing. Climate weather definition for those what else we do again? Volcano, plate tectonic shift and all them something there. Let's remember that geography again. Earthquake, learn both. What else? Something about what change the temperature, something like, what name again? Something about what change, I don't know, something like some change in the climate or something what cause that, and geometric, biometric pressure and all them someday. Message me on some maths. Me header. Do some geo. Yeah, Idris, you cannot talk to you, must message me after maths so you can do some geography video. So you see? Yes, geo hard, especially the map. And you know the map reading not bad. The maths here will help with the map reading. Come on, the maths here convert from the actual diagram to something in a real life. Map will help you with this maths thing. It will help you with Can you can't say geo easy, can you can't say easy because different people, different personality, different approach. You can't say easy. Maybe manageable to you, or you can't say easy. All right, guys, come. Do me question. Find the area of the trapezium. We know each other. I go explain. Okay. Okay. Alrighty, that's good. Meanwhile, let's map up. Yeah, let's map up this trapezium. Yes, let's go. Let's go. You said B. Okay. So let's put in some values, guys, that we know. So it's going to be half A plus B, length of the two parallel sides. You can call any one A, any one B. So it's 100 plus 80 times 30. So it's half of 180 times 30. So that's 90 times 30, which will give you 2700. But its area, so it's going to be meters square. All right, can't be cube because we're not talking about volume. So B is our answer for this one. Guys, you don't know how to talk to me, no? You know? You don't know how to talk to me. You guys are not talking to me. I could send me on my bed right now. I hit that. You don't know how to talk to me. Now come on, talk to me, guys. Talk to me. So this one, the diagram above shows a track. Determine the distance around the track. So you want the perimeter of this shape, guys. You're gonna see this one Miss talk to me about this. You see this. You see this one Miss talk to me about this. So this one, it's all about finding the perimeter of this figure that you're seeing. But if you want, you can break it down into parts where you can observe that we have two semicircles there. Okay, very good. We have two semicircles on it. All right, and we have a rectangle. So no, once here, so it's 50. Down here, so it's 50 as well. Okay, so you can choose to find the two semicircles first, or you can combine them to give you a circle. It's up to you how you want to approach this question. And when the distance around, so you know you can't use area formula. You have to use the perimeter formula because they want distance around. And that's like finding the perimeter of a circle or a semicircle. So we have different ways of doing this question, guys. So pi times diameter, or half of that, plus the two sides for the rectangular piece in the middle here. But you won't be adding the 14 in it because the 14 is not the distance around it. So the 14 won't be in a part of your answer. So let's go, guys. So I'm gonna combine. So I'm gonna call this 1, this 2, and this 3. So I'm gonna combine 1, and I'm gonna combine 3 to form a circle. Semicircle 1, semicircle 3, or let's 2 semicircles to give you a full circle, okay? we know the diameter is equal to 14. So from here, the circumference of a circle is pi times the diameter. So it's 22 over 7 times the 14. Everybody following? So cancel 7 to 7 itself goes 1, into 14 goes 2. 22 times 2 is what? 44? 2 2 4 2 2, yeah, 44. So this is this 44 for this distance here and this distance here combined. But if you want to find one of the semicircles, you basically divide this by 2 to get 22. So we know here so is 22, and here so is also 22. Okay, guys? So we just found. So we combine them, and then we can, if you want to do something different, you can do that. So for persons who don't understand it, that semicircle 1 plus semicircle 2 will give you one whole circle. So we work it out right here. So it's 22 plus 50 plus 22 plus 50. All right. So it's this, 4 of them. So 50 plus 50 give me 100. 22 plus 22 give me 44. When add them together, you get 144. And it's all about meters, not meter square, because it's per meter. So we're not multiplying any units, we're basically adding them. So the answer is 144, and the answer is that C. Let me know if you understand this, guys. If you want me to miss you repeating the question. No, the last time they had misconception. If you should check your questions, if you write them down, it's going to be the same diagram but different numbers because people didn't understand it. Miss, run through again, please. All right. So we want to find the perimeter of this figure. All right. So we observe that semicircle plus semicircle will give you a complete circle. All right. Once they say they want distance around, we're talking about perimeter. Or you want to say circumference, up to you. All right. So I'm adding these two. I'm joining them to form a complete circle. Then I find the circumference of a circle, which is pi times the diameter. Or you want to use 2 pi r. It's up to you. I use d because I'm giving diameter already. So from here, guys, I am going to find the circumference. 22 over 7 times 14. I simplify the 7 and the 14. Into itself goes 1. Into 14 goes 2. 22 times 2 is 44, which will be for this semicircle and this one. So you saw me here dividing by 2 because I'm not sure if some people realize that this length of arc here is 22 and the other one is 22 because you combine the both of them. So if you didn't want to do this, you could just leave the answer at 44. Okay? So we say 44 plus 50 plus 50, or 22, 50, 22, 50, which is right here, to give you 144 meters. And that's how we get the answer. So the question has not been repeated, guys. I bring back this question because people say do more or bring back something like that. I just change numbers on them. So you have the practice, whether you see the same number or different number. Let's go for this question, guys. Which of the following shows the distance traveled north, and they're calling that B, and the distance traveled east, they're calling that A, by a plane flying on a bearing of 48 degrees for 88 kilometers? Let's go for this one, guys. Which of the diagram is depicting that? So first, guys, and if a starting point, we then say plane. Let's call the center right here, so the plane. Let's say the plane is at O. I'm going to label this plane. I'm going to label that plane. So let's go, guys. So you know you figure your starting point. and you determine where the plane is going first. And the question normally tell you distance traveled north and the distance traveled east. So you go north first, then you go east for 88 kilometers. I say C, okay? Let's see. Make sure so you read the question carefully. And you know where the distance traveled, they normally put the distance traveled. And it never changes. So we have 14 beautiful people in the house. Thank you guys very much for coming in. I appreciate you all. Thank you, thank you. So come guys, the distance traveled north and the distance traveled east. Nicole is saying B. And remember where your bearing should be, guys. So clockwise movement from the north line. Okay? Come on, Ricey, Kenroy, Khan, Idris. Are you guys still with me? Gavin, Omar, what's going on? Come on, guys, talk to me. Seems like I'm not tired of me already. We just there 42 minutes. Look, you're not tired of me already? You not tell me, no? When I come back one next day, tell me. Can I send B as well? Okay. Alrighty. Anybody else? Anyone else, guys? Wanna shoot me a comment? Ricey, where you gone, Ricey? Where are you? I say, where are you? Not Spanish again. Donde? Maybe Donde Aires mean where are you from? They Donde Aires, where are you from? So where are you? Young DK is saying A. Go ahead, Miss. Ricey, you try, Ricey? Connie is saying A as well. Ricey, did you try the question? Yeah, tell me if you go ahead. Did you try the question? I haven't seen Janelle, no Rochelle, no Simo, no Suzanne, no Smart TV, no B for Hunter. You say Hunter. All right, guys. So people say I must go because they try and then get it. All right. So even without looking at these diagrams, guys, I'm going to draw what they're telling me to draw. So they say, so the plane. So the plane right here, so observe my north line. So I'm going to move, they say a bearing of 48 kilometers. So from here, so you move 48, which is this direction. Here, so it's 90. So I don't reach 90 as yet. So 48 somewhere right here, so. Okay? So 48, 488 kilometers. Guys, let me tell you something. Once they give you the kilometers, whatever is traveling, how long traveling for, it's almost always on the hypotenuse. It's rare when they ask you to find this. Unless they tell us, say, okay, in travel east for 70 and in travel north for 120. What is the distance between really that different? But once they give it to you like this, guys, it's almost always the hypotenuse they're giving to you. All right. So after having this, they want the so we go again. Okay. So guys, they want to find the distance traveled north. So to get to here, guys, the person must first go north. I'm saying I can retrace this one different color marker. The person must go, the plane must go north, then the plane must go east. You see that? So the distance traveled north, the distance traveled east. So it must go north first, then it go east. It didn't say east, then north. It says north, then east to cover this distance of 88 km. And so A, B, and so which of these you see here? So look like I have right here. So which of these look like it? So far, only A and C would have the correct angle. But if you see the distance they're talking about, the 88 is on the wrong side for C because it didn't say it went north for 88 kilometers. It didn't say that. Okay? And so it went a distance traveled north, distance traveled east in all covers 88 kilometers. So if you look at this, guys, it's similar to the vectors of what you guys doing, similar to the vector. So this OA here would be like the resultant vector. Okay, right, see. So OA here, guys, would be like the resultant vector. You have to go O, B, then you go B, A. You see that? So you go up north, then you go east. So this distance here will be like a resultant vector. But here, 88 should be over here, and so the answer is A. Only A and C could possibly are the two possible outcomes. Persons who said B, 48. They didn't say it go east, then it go north. Didn't say that. Didn't say it go east, then it go north. It didn't ever say that. So you can't put it here either. And plus the bearing of 48 has to be from the origin, from the north line, clockwise direction. Okay? If a north line was right here, then you know that you could say Z angle, so this angle equal this angle, but there's no north line at A, so you couldn't put this answer. So the answer is A. I hope you understand what I just explained. All right, another one. The bearing of a point Q from a point, no, go on. The bearing of a point Q from a point P is 325. What is the bearing of P from Q? If you have two north lines. Yeah, they consider the two north lines to be parallel lines. And the line, you see what we call the hypotenuse. If you draw one triangle, you will call that the transversal. So learning with Pasley's greetings, great content. Thank you, and thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for coming. It's good to have you here. Yes, Khan. So yes, guys, let's go. So the bearing of a point Q from P. So from P here, guys, is telling you. So from P is telling you where to start. Okay? Yes, guys. Learning person say, oh, you're welcome. Okay. So a bit of a point Q from P is 325 degrees. So that's the first thing you need to draw, guys. Dinsmore is saying D, Rice is saying D. Okay. Dinsmore saying D, Rice is saying D. What other persons are saying? Kenra, what do you think about this one? Omar, what do you think about this one? Khan, what do you think about this one? But it's a D. Okay, Nicola, what do you think about this one? Idris, you're still with us? What do you think about this one? Or whoever is here? I don't even know who is here. I have 12 people watching me right now. What do you guys think about this one? Talk to me. Talk to me, guys. Talk to me. Talk to me. D from Kenroy as well. Did you all try the question? I just put D because the people are right. Don't try the question? No draw this something them I tell if you draw? I think geography might can. If I slap you see. Omar is saying D as well. Nicola is saying I'm not sure. So go ahead, guys, and start. Draw the point P. Oh, that's great. I'll come over and check you out. When you do you go on live stream as well? If you go there, I'll come and I'll come and check you out as well, okay? Or if you want to, one day we can do a collab if you wanna. All right, guys. So this is starting from P. So P is our starting point. That's my north line. Remember blaring? I draw this too close. Ooh, I'm gonna have to draw it over, guys, too close, and then need more space. So let me come right here. So that's my point P. I think that's a Susan name just now. Miss just finished watching a portion of paper 3. I missed earlier. Oh, okay, Susan. Thank you very much for coming over. Pump some answer there. So guys, so they're saying that a point Q from P is 325. So here's 190, 180, 270, 360. So 375 is somewhere, 325, oh my God, Kennedy, is somewhere between 270 and 360, right? So let's go. So we're going around to this point. So somewhere up here, guys, Q is located. So we're going to start 325. Let me know if you all see that. Y'all see where Q is? Let me know if you all see that. There are 2 ways we can finish this question, guys. I'm going to show you both of them. Just say yes if you see that. Let me do this now. If you understand what I did just now, guys, just say yes so I can move on. I'm just saying, no, talk to me. I'm going to tell you later. And done this because I don't understand. I'm not going to say nothing to me. I don't understand. Okay, Susan say yes. All right, Susan, thank you for responding. So, guys, we know that angle at a point equal 360. Cool? So if you want to, you can fill in this part. But it is saying, what is the bearing of P from Q? Our new starting point is now Q. If you all are following, so it's a start right here. So from Q, what is P? That means at Q, I need to now go and draw another north line because me I go start move. So from Q, I'm coming right here. Okay? I know that angle at a point equals 360. So if here is 325, the angle up here is going to be 360 minus 325 to give me what, 35? I don't know. Let me do the maths. 30, yeah, 35. So that's 35 degrees, guys. So right here is 35. We know that north lines are considered to be parallel lines. I was just saying this to Khan. Parallel lines, guys. Okay? So if here, right, see by, if here is 35, the angle up here would be 180 minus 35 to give us 145 degrees. And so P from Q is 145, guys. And this is how we get the answer to be C. Let me know if y'all understand this. Guys, give me a sec. Hello? Yes, Ms. Brenda. Sure. Oh, I don't eat pork. You could get some wings. You could get me some wings. Wings. I don't know. They don't sell wings there? As I don't. Okay, I've never had pork before, so I'm not sure if my stomach can digest it. No, I've never had it before like that. Guys, give me a sec. Okay, can you give me a Wendy's in a home style? I'm good. How are you? Yeah, she went on the road. She said she'll be back soon. Okay. Here's Suzanne. Fire pan pork. Suzanne, who tell us if you listen to me business? Oh God. Yes, guys, I'm back. So let me know if you understand, guys. So right, say understand. Susan said she got it. Means it doesn't be so hard. These things mentally, you know. What am I talking about? Deviate. Don't deviate. Eat the wings. I've never had pork before, guys. I've never had it, so I don't know if my stomach can take it. So I don't want to try it tonight and get sick for tomorrow. I don't want that. So sorry about that, guys. I am really sorry. I should have put the live on mute, you know, but me never do that. But guys, I'm sorry. So people say they understand. Only 2 persons respond to me, guys. Talk to me now. Do you understand this? Keep this chat. No pork. Can. Bye bye. Bye bye. All right. Can I say understand? Okay, very good. Okay, guys. So that's how we do a question like this one. In the meantime, all right, I'm happy to hear that. Catch up on this one for me. So let me text her on what to buy. I need Wendy's. When. So home style chicken sandwich. Chicken sandwich combo with fruit punch. Fruit punch. What's more? They sell nuggets, don't it? The nuggets normally dry. Look at that same way. So buy one 6 piece. 6. You know, so they must have heard me talk about food on the live. I'm so sorry, guys. I am so sorry. So go ahead, guys, and calculate the volume of this cone. 6 piece nuggets. So about maybe $15 or $10 to tell. In the business. It's food. The Care is in the building. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Miss, you're human and food have to eat. Which is so true. This is so true. And because I'm doing this live, I'm not cooking every day as I used to. So let's go, guys. So maybe on the exam condition, they'll give you like pie in the answer. But you know, for me, I'm going to do that still. I'm making to work it out because they are yard. So you can do it. So guys, 1/3 pi r square times the height. All right. So volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square times the height. And this height, guys, is the perpendicular height. Carrie saying the perpendicular height. And they say you must use pi as 3.142. So for now, using a phone, do the calculation, but on the exam condition, I don't think they'll give you I think they'll have more of pi in the question, but me not do that phone right now. I think they'll have pi in the question. So which height will you use, guys? The slant height or the perpendicular height? Come on, guys, talk to me. Nicola, you say she wanna say C. You wanna say or you say? Which of them? I hear some doubts behind that. Put it in a calculator, man. 1/3 times 3.142 times 7.5 square times 18. I know I should have given you guys with pi in it, but right now, trust me, I request I just want to put the answer on the paper, to be honest with you. See from Dinsmore as well. Let's see what other persons are saying. Ricey, Khan, where you all at? What's going on? Susan is saying C as well. So I guess we're making the C sound. C, D, D, C sound. DC sound, C, C, D sound. Which of them? Nice. Which of them is the answer, guys? Talk to me. What is the answer? Guys? So let me put some pen to paper. So it's going to be 1/3 times 3.142. Kenroy is saying C as well. Times radius square. So it's going to be 7.5 square times 18, and that should give you 1060.4 cm cube. I see you, Idris, as well. So the answer, guys, is a C. All right. That gone already. Here's another one. So this is S, and this is 320, and this is R. Guys, when I was writing this question, I had L and K. I don't know what that come from in my brain, but I had L and K. Which of the following represents R from S is 320? R from S is 320. R from S is 320. Look at it, guys. Remember bearing clockwise direction from the north line. Remember all the good stuff about bearing, okay? Which of the following represents R from S, 320, right? So he's saying B. All right. So look at the words you're giving as well, guys. From. And the letter that comes after from tells you your starting point. Okay? So from S is 3, what did it say? 320. Which of the following bearing, guys, represent R from S to be 320? I see Gavin and I see Ricey commenting. Let's see what the others have to say if we're making a B sound. Math paper 3 is tomorrow. Yes, yes, yes. I had a paper 3 this morning. Suzanne is saying B as well. Let's hear what the others are saying. Dinsmore is saying B as well. Let's see what the others are saying. I have 4 people responding to me so far. Rice, you're still with us. Kanye, you're still with us. Idris, you're still with us. All right, I just a comment on difference in answer my question. I don't understand you. Eh? What are you going? What going in a Mass John shop? What going? Brittany, hey girl, welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. I haven't seen you in a while. It's good to have you. Thank you very much for coming. And you're saying B as well. I don't know why these people not talking to me now. So maybe not any live in the next 20, much minute, 22 minutes, not any live because me not stay up on the live by myself. No, sir. Me not stay up on the live. Oh, yes, miss. Okay. Okay, Brittany. It's good to have you here. Me. Guys, 20 odd more minutes you don't have with me. Yeah, me not make you get tired of me. Every day me come with live stream phone. Not true. Me not make you tired of me, guys. Okay? So I'm not going to stay up on the live and say I'm not going to bed. I couldn't want to study in the book. So guys, we observe where it says start from. So it says from S. So you need to look forward at the point S and identify the bearing of R is 320. So S has to be a clockwise movement, guys. So we have 2 clockwise going on here between between C and B. Okay? Yeah, man, they're sleeping. That's fine. Just give me 22 more minutes and I'm done with y'all. No, me I go if it's true. 22 minutes me I go leave on the cause you don't want to talk to me. So guys, so we have 2 clockwise movement going on. So A and D are completely out. Alright? So even though we have R clockwise as well, it says from S, so we have to pay attention to these 2. This is complete because this is not 320. Alright? So it's gonna be this one, and so the answer is B. All right, so one more here. So given that the bearing of B from A is 65, see? Okay, Brenny. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I is not sleepy. I know. So given that the bearing of B from A is 65, what is the bearing of A from B? What is the bearing of A from B? Ricey is saying for this one, he's saying B. Okay, Ricey, I see you as well. You're saying B. I see you. Too much mark up as a paper. Whole I mess up. You guys ask me for these questions when they come. When you don't want to do them. I'm not putting you to sleep no more. No worry yourself. I'm going to come off on a live stream. I'm going to go study or go sleep or go eat or something. I'm going to watch some TV and design some shirt. In the meantime, match up some crime and me come here too because me here look like old people. Yes, guys. So given that the bearing of B from A is 65, what's the bearing of A from B? Remember, guys, a clockwise movement. So it's a from B, go in a clockwise direction, guys, and tell us that angle. So let me give you a starter right here. So B, not line. So we need this angle right here. Look at it. We need that angle, guys. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Let it be your friend. It ain't gonna hurt you. Look at it, guys. So B from A from B. So B is our starting point. All right. Starting from here, going to this line. Miss, I'm not seeing the answers. Expand the screen, Susan. Press the expand button. Expand the screen because we don't know how to make this bigger. Unless me go zoom the screen when you not go see it. Expand the screen, please. All right. A from B. A from B. All right. So if you want to, you can also dissect this and say here's our 180. Between two parallel lines, you have Z angle. So if you have 65, here says also 65. You go ahead and you add them. Or you figure that in here, so. And between these two angles, they form co-interior angles. So 65 is here. This angle here would be 115. All right, but we don't need this angle. We need the angle around it. Angle at a point, gear 360. Oh, low battery. Angle at a point, gear 360. So you subtract that from 360 and you match up your crime. Do that for me, guys. I'm plugging the phone here before but it live done for me. Without my permission. So yes, guys. So persons who are saying B, no. B is a no because this angle is far past 115. So double check your answer for me. Double check your answer. Idris saying D. Dinsmore saying D. Since Suzanne saying D. Come on, guys. 180 plus 65 is equal to what? Gavin is saying D. Yeah, that makes more sense. So if you add these two, guys, you should get 245 for your answer. And that's how you roll. Okay? That is how we roll. Kenroy is saying D as well. Okay, very good. Let me know if everybody understand or explain or whatever we're going to do for you. Let me know. Let me know. So we're going to say 180 plus 65 or 360 minus 115 to get 245. All right, guys. So people still not respond, but that's okay as well. Please explain. Alrighty. So we're given, let me see if I can draw it back somewhere over here. So that's N, that's A, that is 65. And the point B is right here. So it gave us that the bearing of B from A is 65. So from A, clockwise direction, you're going this way. So that's 65, right? So they want to know the bearing of A from B. That means you're starting at B. This is your new starting point. So you're going to draw an arc line. You have two ways of doing this. You can find the angle that is around here, because remember, bearing is a clockwise movement from the north line, not this way, this way. All right? Think about the clock moving this way. So that is the angle right here. You can choose to find this angle by dissecting up this big angle in the smaller portion. So I'm gonna straight line would have give you 180. So down to south, right here's everything here would give you 180. To find this angle in here, you know that I'm coming. Oh no, she just want to know what kind of sauce you want. Salad dressing, whatever you want. Barbecue, barbecue. She said barbecue. Dang. Okay, anybody just text me? Jesus Christ, no sir. All right, guys, sorry about that. So north line, guys, are parallel lines, and so this angle here, 65, would be equal to this angle down here because it forms alternate angles. Okay, so say north lines. This south line is also parallel. All right, so this line and this line parallel, then two line here parallel as well. Okay, so if here 65, here also 65. So if I say 65 plus 180, that should give me the 245. Or if I wanted to, I could say this angle here and this angle is equal to, so these two is equal to 180. How do I know? Because I want barbecue, you see? I respond to everything except for my maths. You realize that? Like in a class. No, sir. These two angle guys are co-interior. All right, because they form between two parallel lines. So these two angles are co-interior angles. So here is 65. This should be 180 minus 65. To give you 115. Okay? And to know the angle around here, guys, we know angle at a point is equal to 360. So if we know this part, we can say 360 minus 115 to give us the 245. Let me know if you understand now, Brittany. What did the text with Lydia call me out? Lord God, tell me the truth. We can love. But miss, yeah. But miss what? Talk. Yeah, listen. Talk crazy. Miss Sarah, no can have voice note, you know. Cause Jano. Right, see? Maybe he's typing. Where is the 245 going to be? The 245 is going to be down here, right? See, from the starting point. All I hear so. All I hear so, right? See. I'll go with the 245. All I hear so to the line for A. All I hear so. I'll go be 245. 180 plus 65 at 245. You get it? Okay. All right, guys. So one more here. So I have one whole heap of question like that to give one if you do. But me not gonna stretch in the brain with all of this because in the next 12 minutes we're gonna leave. So I'm gonna see 1.5. First day I'm gonna stick to the time. Learning, keep up the good work. Got to go. See you next time. Okay, learning with Pasley, if I'm saying it right. I'm gonna come and check you out, all right? If you're not familiar, I think you're family because I can recall this photo. I think we're family. I don't know. But if you're not family, I'm gonna come and check you out, all right? And thank you very much for coming. I really appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So guys, the function f of x is equal to 2x plus 2 divided by x minus 1. Determine the value of x for which f of x is equal to 0. So guys, we're equating we are equating the function to 0. If you don't know what equating mean, write back the function, equal sign, and put 0. Because they say f of x, let me write it back, f of x is equal to 0. And if you look at this function, guys, you see that f of x is right here. So that means that this is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 2x plus 2 all over x minus 1. Simplify, guys. Casey is here, guys. Welcome, Casey. Welcome, welcome. It's good to have you. I don't see question. Oh, no, I see no. Good. Yes, guys. Yes. Welcome, Casey. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Yes, guys. So simplify, cross multiply, or multiply by x minus 1 on both sides and just maths up the thing. Okay? I need to get some more markers. Dang. Guys, I have to be on the road tomorrow. I'm not sure what time I come back in. So maybe tomorrow we won't have a live. I don't know if they come back in early enough. I'm gonna come on, but if I don't come back early enough, it's gonna have to be the next day. Today or Monday. Gonna have to be Wednesday. Cool. I hope that whatever I'm gonna do tomorrow finish quickly. Cause we're not in the mood right now. But yes, guys. So let's go. Multiply both sides by x minus 1. Watch out. Not easy now. Oh boy. X minus 1. Multiply both sides by x minus 1. That'll eventually cancel. So this cancel this. That'll give you 0 is equal to 2x plus 2. From here, we are going to solve for x. We're going to subtract 2 from both sides to get x by itself. So this cancels. So 2x is equal to negative 2. Divide by 2. That cut that. X is equal to negative 1. And people screaming out B. Once you scream out B, clap for you. Very good. Before I move the question, you'll understand this? Once it says f of x is equal to something, guys, we have to go ahead and equate it. But I'm seeing here, if we put it in there, I get negative 2. All right, guys. So this is not the same thing. This, guys, is not the same as saying f of 0. Okay? F of x equal 0 is not the same thing as saying f of 0. Okay? Here, it is telling us that this function must be equal to 0. But here, whatever you see in bracket represents x. Okay? And so that's where most people went wrong, because they think that this means they must put 0 in with x right here. So, but they're not the same thing. Okay, so once it says f of x is equal to 0, you equate the function to 0. After you do that, you will go ahead and you simplify whatever you must simplify and solve for x. So that's where the misconception is, guys. Let me write here so again. So f of x equals 0 is not equal to f of 0. Okay? We have to remember that, guys. We have to remember that. And so, Brittany, I think that whatever I said now would make it clearer for you. That this f of x, I'm putting a bracket, f of x equals 0 is not the same as saying f of 0. Okay? So this means the x value. This means equate it to whatever number is right here. So if a 5 was here, guys, you'd have put 5 right here, so. If a 50 was here, 50 right here, so. If a 100, 100 right here, so. Okay, until you solve it and get the value for 4x. I hope that was clear what I said last, that is not the same thing. And once you know this, you can go ahead and do what you know. Okay, let's go for this one. A merchant bought sweets at $3 a dozen and sold them at $2.50 a dozen. His percentage loss was, so go ahead, find your loss. Percentage loss. Loss over the CPE, cost price. And put it right here. So people who know what to do, no continue. So percentage loss is equal to the loss over the cost price. So find the loss. So you know, so you buy it for this and sell it for this. So you lose some money. How much money you lose? So $3 minus $2.50. Right here, so he's saying lose 50 cents. Was it $50 a while ago, you know? So you lose 50 cents right here, so. Cool? Lose 50 cents, so that's the loss. So it's gonna be the 50 cents over the $3. So it's gonna be 0.50 if you want to. Can I put the 0 on it? So 0.5 all over 3 times, oh, let me sort something else. Times 100%, times 100%. Dinsmore is saying C for the answer. All right, let's go, guys. So we know all of that. Here, on a multiple choice condition, if you can simplify this, guys, in a way, we're easy to work with, that's just fine. I know that 0.5 is the same thing as saying a half. So a half divided by 3, that's like saying you're multiplying it by 1/3. So it's going to be a half times 1 over 3 times 100%. This is a half. Okay? So if you should say a half divided by 3, let me put it down to show you what I'm talking about. So a half divided by 3, we're going to say we keep, we change, and we flip. See that? Keep, change, flip. So 3 becomes 1/3 to give you 1/6. All right? So a half times 1/3 is 1 over 6 times 100. You simplify that. 6 into 100 go too much time. I hope you all are following. If not, just say something. Tell me where exactly you're not following. Where did I lose you? And we can match it up together. But don't just say something random. Because I don't understand random things. You have to be more specific so we can zoom into whatever you're not understanding. The more saying yes. Yes to what? Yes, you understand. Yes, you not understand. No. Let me see a while ago. You understand? You see what's going on here? No, let me say. You just want me here to tear out. No, sir. Next time I can't wash it with the with the plating I hit. You say no wash good. C from KC. Okay, Dinsmore, understand. All right. So you find the loss, guys, because percentage loss said loss over cost price times 100. So the person sold the item for bought the item for $3 and sold it for $2.50. They lose some money. How much money they lose? 50 cents. All right. So it is 0.5 or 50, up to you how you want to write that. But it's 0.5 divided by the cost price, which is 3. How do I know it's the cost price? Because I say he bought it. All right. Bought means I think pay for cost price. All right. So it's 0.5 divided by 3 times 100. I was saying to you on the exam condition, you won't have a calculator to use. So you can do what you, you can do what you know. So 0.5 is like saying a half divided by 3. Expand the screen, you see what I'm talking about now. So we say a half divided by 3 is like saying keep the first one, change the sign, and flip the 3. So the 3 is like saying 1 over 3 if you flip it. It's a whole number. The denominator is 1. Okay? So right here, you flip it and you say a half times 1/3, we give you 1/6. So 1/6 times 100 is what? I'm seeing C from 2 persons. What about the others? Come on, guys. You see? Come on, man. So after this, me give you the homework and whoosh, I will be out of here. I don't want to be like in a classroom teacher, but we're sitting on a bed. Because no fun people not, and teacher teach then go sleep. Especially for maths teacher. Everybody got sleep. Hey Simone, welcome, welcome, welcome. So 1/6 of 100%, guys, is going to be 6 into 10 goes 1 time, remainder 4, 6 into 40 goes 6 times, 6, 36, and you continue. But in this case, I'm going to stop right there so I can get the 16. So I know say C is the answer. All right, do this one for me. And then I get the other one behind this here homework and you can whoosh out of here. Cool? Oh, the question is not showing. My bad. Let's see. Alrighty, here you go. This one. These are 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. And it's not drawn to scale, guys, because one screen look like that, look like one rectangle. But it's not drawn to scale. Because the lengths are the same, so that should be one equal length. You know what I think of. Yes, Dinsmore, because I'm here when I talk, I not talk to myself like that. Unless me I write one children's book. I may I try act out one character when I actually see. Yeah. So yes, sir. So soon. Yeah, I'm leaving. After this question, I'm going to homework. I'm going to start stay up on the live hour and a half. So I'm not saying I go to bed, you know? I start some short lives. So I'm not saying I go to bed. Dinsmore is saying D for this one. Let's see. Oh, KC is saying D as well. I didn't see you, KC. Dinsmore answer come over first. But yeah, KC is saying D. Okay. KC is saying D. Dinsmore is saying D. Here, man. Jesus Christ. So here I tick like, whoa. Mercy. Mercy. So come, guys, talk to me. Talk to me. Let's go ahead. We know the total length of the top, guys. No, right? See? No. Try. The total length up here, guys, is 5. So if you know, here's 1.5. Here is 1.5. What is this? What is this length here? What if they're tired? What they asking? What should be wrong with them? What if they're tired? I'm coming. Already. Thank you. So guys, 1.5, 1.5. That's 3, right? And the total length, guys, is 5. So here is 5 and here should be 5. So what is missing from here? From here, we see that 2 is missing because 1.5 plus 1.5. Yes, Racy, very good. Why did it say low battery on the phone? Plug in. I don't understand that. Why it keep saying low battery? That don't make no sense. I don't understand. All right. So here's 2, guys. So the area, they want to find the area of B, which is right here. And we know area is length times width. So it's going to be 2 times 7 to give us 14 cm squared. Yes, Ricey. Very good, very good. So yes, guys. So that's it for that question. Let me circle the letter D. I hope it was clear to everyone. Maybe next time I'm going to have to write these numbers bigger. Like write it out here so, because it looks small on the phone. So 1.5 plus 2 would give you 5, you know. So 2 times 7 is 14, length times width. That's a rectangle, so it's going to be length times width, all right? Let's go on to the next one. Why keep saying low battery? I don't understand this thing, you know. Okay, understand. Hey, Joker, welcome. Thank you very much for being here. This one, guys, is your homework. So take it. This Leany, man? Jesus, I first never read so Leany in a long while. This one, guys, is your homework, so take it. And I will see you all tomorrow when I get off the road. Hopefully come home early enough so I can start the live stream. But if I'm not here early enough, I'm on the road, I'll just send a community message or a community note and let you all know that I am not home as yet or something. The battery low, I don't know what's going on. The thing is plugged in, so maybe the plug out around the corner or something. What happened? You not seeing it? Low battery. Keep saying low battery because I don't know what's going on. Right, see saying A for this one. Oh, wait. Oh, Jesus. Come. Ooh. It keeps saying low battery. I don't know why the battery is saying low. I don't know. Here, I see ball next. That's the homework, guys. That is your homework. So thanks everyone for being here. I really appreciate the support you guys are giving me. I will see you all tomorrow. God's will. I'll see you all tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys. Some more questions. I have more on bearings. I have some more on measurement. I have some more on consumer arithmetic for you all tomorrow. So stay tuned. And I will see you all tomorrow. See you all tomorrow, guys. Thank you very much. Next live, this will be the first question that I'll be going through. I'm not going to do any more long lives, guys. I'm going to stay with you for an hour and a half. And yes, kind of homework that. Yeah, homework. Homework. Yes, Can. That's homework. Yeah, that's your homework. So you have to find the height of the tower. You have to find the height of the tower. So once you have an angle, guys, you go ahead and you... Okay, miss. Have a good night. Okay, right, see you too. So guys, once you have an angle, you go ahead, label the sides, and you label the sides, and you go ahead and identify which ratio you need to use. Since as it's a right angle triangle, we know SOHCAHTOA can be used, okay? So use SOHCAHTOA, guys, for this question. Find the height and either A, B, C, or D. That'll be the first question I'm going through tomorrow. Okay? So for the persons for paper 3, I place the formulas on the community tab. So you can go to my channel, community tab, and you will see that if you're following me, or if you're friends or let's say family, you will see the post as well. And if you need additional, what you call it? Additional one. I'm not even know what your word be. Additional something. What's the word, Kennedy? Additional topics, guys. Additional, what's the thing? Formulas. Let me know. And I will be happy to post them for you. So until tomorrow, guys, take care. I appreciate you all. I love you all. Take care of yourself. Until tomorrow.